Hello guys, this is Akita and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted a video since long, but trust me guys, this video is worth your wait. Because yesterday I went to New Market, which is one of my favorite street market in Kolkata, and it is very nearest to the Esplanade metro station. And I also bought a few things from there, which I'm going to show you at the end of the video. And now let's go and see what all I did over there.
Today, 70 years after the British left the country and 106 years after they shifted the capital from Calcutta to Delhi, we can still witness some of the most extraordinary British architecture here in Hog Market, which is popularly known as New Market. This elaborate architectural pieces definitely adds to the beauty of this market. New Market is one of the best shopping centers here in the city, with lots of street vendor and mouth-watering street food. The market is really huge, so it's difficult to cover the entire area. Still, I try to capture some of it. The lane starts with footwear dangling everywhere around. You can get footwear for as less as ₹70. And trust me guys, it is perfect hunting ground for bargain lovers. As we go ahead in the lane, we can find the street vendors selling bags, be it luggage bag, tote bag, sling bag, you name it and you get it. Guys, this is me trying to bargain for a bag, cause shopkeepers here quote you the double the price. So you should definitely bargain it down to even more than half the price they quote. If you're a kurti lover and wear kurti almost 5 days a week just like me, then you should definitely visit the lane beside the Bata showroom, which has a great collection of kurti both for everyday use and party wear. You will also get a good collection of western wear, cause the market is filled with off-shoulder tops and dresses which will not cost you more than ₹250 or 300. If you love jutis, the lane near the AC market is going to blow your mind because it has a really good collection of jutis, heavy work portly bags, beautiful clutches which can go good with your party wear. So guys, the first thing which I got is this really cute floral dress which I have paired with a blue velvet sneaker. If you want to know from where I got the sneaker, then you will have to watch the video which I have linked at the end of this video. And guys, I forgot to mention I got this dress for just rupees 300.
So guys, the second thing which I got is this two sunglasses. One is a cat eye sunglasses, the other is a aviator one, and this cost me 150 rupees each. And the quality is really good. So guys, the another product is a bag, which is a sling bag, and the size is really compact. You can keep phone and purse in it. And it has this golden strap which is looking very classy. You can carry it with all the dresses in your wardrobe because the color is black and it goes with all the things. And I got this for just rupees 300. So guys, another product which I got is also a bag. This is slightly bigger than the previous one, and you can carry it to office and all the places. And it has a fringes which gives a very boyish look to it. And I like it very much. I was searching for this kind of bags from a very long time. You can also detach the string which is attached to it and carry it like this. And I got this just for rupees 300 guys. Can you believe it? So guys, the last product which we got is this really cool scarf which has a tassel all around. And the shopkeeper was quoting for rupees 100 for this, but we bargained it and got it just for rupees 60. So make it a point, if you go to New Market, do not forget to bargain. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.